Oh, hey Mandy. What are you doing?
I'm drawing Mama.
Really?
Yeah.
Mama, that your mama? That one?
Yeah, we can see her butt right there.
What? No, not like that. You're gonna draw her face?
Yeah.
Really? So you know art? Really? Can we see? How do you draw?
It's a secret.
So what's your inspiration?
Cool.
What? Oh. Wow. Oh my god, that's so amazing. What's that? Hey, that's poo-poo. Okay, seriously, come on. Mama, you sure Don't make it like a dragon.
Hey, you just call Mama a dragon.
Nor a tiger. Okay, now we are witnessing art. The birth, the mother of art. Amanda. Ahem. Oops. Ahem. Say, excuse me po. Excuse me po. Mandy. You serious now, Oh, guys, so Mandy's serious. That is what she's drawing. Okay, that's a little surprise. And that's what she's drawing. Her mom. Whoa. Game face, oh. You sure?
Yeah, Mama.
Are you sure? And how much are you gonna sell that? Are you sure? Are you gonna sell that to the museum?
What?
Why? You might be the next Fernando Amortolo or who are they? I forgot. Whoa. Are you gonna put some wings on there? Okay, can we take a little pic?
No.
Really? Why?
It's a surprise.
Okay,
Okay, just
focus.
scheduling.
Okay, focus now, focus. Oh. Hey, don't look at me. I thought you're drawing Mama, but you're not looking at Mama. Oh, there. Oops. Are you sure? I think you're just drawing the hair.
What?
There. Let me see. Oh!
No.
Okay. We're so excited. No, not yet. We're so excited. I bet it's gonna look realistic. Whoa. Still looking Whoa. Done? Okay, take a look closely. What? Up. Yeah, that's...
Hey, don't.
I'm not looking. I'm not looking.
You look like you're lying.
I hope that's not just all circles. Done? Okay, let me see. Wow! That's a boy! That's a boy! You kidding me? And why are these buns? Are those breads? Ano, what are those?
Six pack. Or maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pack.
Mama has 8 packs?
No, you. That's you. That's
Oh,
you.
me,
That's you.
I said mama, not me. I only have 1 pack, Mandy.
Wait.
Oh my god. And what are those big hands? What are those big hands for? I'm not gonna swim. I'm not a merman. You're a mermaid.
Bawal ko tayo.
Erase mo na. That's it for tonight, guys. Oh my G. Oh, hey, ow. You're hurting my body also. Mandy.